This mint green human-sized labubu was sold for over 150k in a Beijing auction house just last month. And this brown human-sized one, only 15 of which exists, was sold for over 114k at the same auction house. But what are labubus? Who makes them and why the fuck are they so expensive? A labubu is a collectible designer soft toy monster elf created by Kasing Lung. These dolls are sold by PopMart in vending machines, and I'll come back to them in some time. Kasing is a children's book illustrator and was the first Chinese person to win the illustration award. In 2015, he created The Monsters, inspired by Dutch folklore and mythology back from when he grew up in the Netherlands, one of them being Labubus. 4 years later, he signed a licensing deal with a toy company, which brings us to the toys maker, PopMart. PopMart was founded in 2010 by Wang Ning, whose net worth is $21.1 billion. Inspired by gashapon vending machines in Japan, he developed toy lines by partnering up with various artists. But the real reason why PopMart is so successful is that it combines various things that have proven to blow up in popularity. They sell soft toys as collectibles in a blind box format, which is not knowing what you're gonna get, but it will be from a certain collection. So people keep buying more and more until they finish their collections. Then they collab with independent artists to create original characters or in-house IPs, and then create their variations with other famous brands such as Disney and Harry Potter. If this wasn't enough, add Blackpink's Lisa to this mix. The result? A $46 billion company in 15 years that doubled their share prices on the first day of going public and made their founder the 10th richest man in China. Now coming to why are these creepy ass dolls so fucking expensive? The short answer, herd mentality. Labubus were starting to pick up in popularity, but when Lisa posted these pictures on Instagram, they blew up. Other celebrities like Rihanna, Dualipa and members of the Thai royal family were spotted with these dolls, adding fuel to the fire. Each drop now gets sold out within minutes because, according to the Wall Street Journal, people showed up at their Century City location before sunrise to wait in line just to get their hands on one. And not just there, this has become the norm everywhere. Portland, Chicago, Houston, etc. But when people don't get their hands on their desired labubus, resellers who do jack up prices and collectively make millions. This gives off the same peer pressure vibes as Stanley Cups, Liquid Death and Prime. Do people really spend this much time, effort and money to signal to others that they too belong to a trend? And is the hype real or is it just a bubble waiting to be burst? Attack me verbally if you disagree, but don't forget to keep it simple, stupid.